Okay, this is an obstacle that I had done a video of Lacey doing this, but it was kind of far away in the video and you couldn't see exactly what they were doing. And so here you'll be able to see it. And we'll see if Bodie can do it as good as Lacey does. Forward, no. Good boy. Up. And go out. Just sit up. There, good boy. Oh. Face me, I don't care. Good boy. Back up. That was pretty good for his first time doing that. Yeah. Stay. Hey, no.